Welcome all to the call Stubbornness versus Receiving. So, if there is anybody who's new to Access Consciousness or have never done anything related to Access, please do let me know because I really suck at starting from the base, but I'll do my best. And if
You
everybody,
know, I'm here,
ah,
Chandni.
Chanu, I know, but I saw you, but I realized that you know the clearing statement, so I don't have to worry about you.
Yeah, but it's just said out on the internet. So I would always be happy to learn more.
Sure. So it's like so we will talk briefly about, see, we all talk about receiving, right? We all talk about, and today if I ask you, hey, how's your receiving? Are you receiving from everyone? Are you not receiving from everyone? We'll go into head. Are we receiving more? Are we receiving less? Whom are we receiving? What are we not receiving? And we always have a complaint, hey, why don't people contribute to us? Most of us have a problem. Why this person is not contributing to me? Why my husband is not contributing to me? Why my family people are not contributing to me? Why XYZ is not contributing to my business, to my monetary flow, to my love, different areas. For some, receiving money is easy. For some, receiving compliments are easy. For some, receiving something else is easy, right? So let's focus. For you, each one is very different. Which area of receiving is difficult to you? Okay, get present to that. Just get present. Where are you resistant in receiving? Okay, whom are you resistant from receiving from? That's the stubbornness that we have, our point of view, that hey, I'm not going to receive from this person, I'm not going to receive from this person, I'll receive from this person, I will not receive. Your all your points of views you have regarding receiving, and that stops you from receiving. And we feel proud of ourselves. Hey, I'm a fighter. How many of you feel proud of being a fighter?
I do 100%.
Yeah. So when, see, what is the definition of a fighter? You have to fight, you have to prove, you have to win. And when you have to do all these emotions, can you receive contribution? Can you receive help? No.
No.
And that comes, that is a stubbornness with our label that we keep giving ourselves, and we feel proud and we're stubborn enough. And those are the areas, those are the points of views where we don't allow receiving. Okay, if I have to fight equality, if I'm a fighter, I'm fighting equality, I will not receive from everybody or anybody who doesn't believe in equality.
Yeah.
So how much then your area of receiving, you what you're doing, because of your label, because of your stubbornness, you have rejected that, those people from your universe. And at the same, like, if people would like, hey, god, fairies, light beings contribute, and if they also have those points of views which doesn't match your dictionary or points of views, you will not receive from them either. It is not just people, it's people without bodies also, you will not receive from them because they don't come under your category of allowance of receiving. So everywhere you feel proud of, like, I was very proud, like, I'm such a stubborn person. I still feel proud. Okay, why? Because I feel I'm a go-getter. Okay, but the thing is, the definition of a go-getter somewhere contradicts from me from receiving. Hey, everywhere I've decided go-getter is equal to a fighter who never gives up. Nobody's asking you to give up, but are you willing to receive a contribution rather than fighting your way through for receiving? And everywhere you're fighting your way to receive something, can you all now destroy and uncreate all times of God's? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. See, you have to ask, what points of views do I have? Like, we like, hey, this is fine, money, no issue. But in relationship, I will not tolerate if somebody lies to me. How many of you have this point of view? None? Great. Leela. Okay. So, truth. How many you, if you have this point of view, how much are you not willing to receive, quote unquote, from people who lie in general? You have a point of view about relationship, but because of this point of view, because of this as a programming, how much you will not receive from people who lie, and how much you will not receive from yourself because you lie to yourself all the time. I'm not good enough. I am this. I am this. How much is that a lie? Right? So your own point of view work against you rather than in favor of your creation. So just get present. Ki where are you being stubborn, in which area, which part of your life are you being stubborn, and what are those points of views which you will say, hey, I'm now going to shift here. Nobody's saying, but get present, because all those people with similar point of view, you will stop receiving from them, because they cannot come because of your perception of what you can have it and what you cannot have it, because all those things, thoughts, feelings, emotions, belief, which doesn't match your point of view, cannot come under your radar of receiving. Does it make sense, people? Because all of you are muted and can't see half of you because all of you are in black and white.
Yes, it makes sense.
So are you willing?
Makes sense.
Which area do you struggle the most? Anybody who wants to be a guinea pig here, quick guinea pig, so I can show you the demonstration.
I will be your guinea pig, but only
Marriage.
because okay.
Marriage. Okay, what point of view do you have about marriage?
It's forever.
Interesting point of view. Everywhere you bought that lie that marriage is forever. Okay, so all those people who don't believe that marriage is forever, are you willing to receive from them? No. So now I'm going little personal here, Sunaina. So now, if in case 0.1%, if your husband doesn't have this point of view that marriage is forever, and because his point of view doesn't match your point of view, are you willing to then, do you receive from him that level, or you stop it because it doesn't match? You getting my point? Like, if I have a point of view that
I
it's
totally get your point, and yes, I
so now,
totally get your point.
so
I
now,
get it. And that's why
the
I'm here.
other
I
question
want
is,
to know, what does one do to move away from
so
points of views?
So now the another question is, what do you love about your point of view that you are willing to suffer but not let it go? See, when we are stubborn, there's some agenda we have that we will fight till the nail of it. So everywhere, all of you
Hmm.
are fighting to the nail of your point of view, which doesn't allow you to receive from everyone and everyone thing. To shift and change that with ease, can you destroy and create it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poke, online, person. It's like I love this shirt,
Yes.
and I love this shirt so much that I will fight it so hard to wear it, even if it's tattered. Still, I'll wear that. Where somebody can give me a shirt, but I will not take it because of my point of view that I need to hold on to this shirt. So, all of you, everywhere you're holding on to your points of views so dynamically, ki you will suffer, you'll endure pain, but you will not let go those point of view because you want to make others wrong and you right about your point of view, which doesn't allow you to receive. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times of Gatsalia? Right and wrong, good and bad, pon, pock, all nine shots, boys and yeah. See, when we are stick with something, we are basically stick with the rightness of our point of view. So all the rightness of your point of view, which doesn't allow you to choose and creates something which will create greater for you. Can you not destroy and uncreate at all times of Gatsalia? Right and wrong, good and bad, pun, pock, all nine short Bazillions. And can you see, because of your stubbornness, how difficult it is somebody to contribute to your life, even if they desire to. And you, on the other hand, believe that nobody loves me, nobody likes me. That's the reason they're not contributing to me. It is them, or it is your point of view, or your stubbornness to not shift and change. Okay. So, what is, so my question is, what will happen if you let go being stubborn? So, all the labels that you love about yourself of being a stubborn, everywhere you keep pasting yourself that you're such a stubborn bitch or bastard, whoever, we keep telling ourselves names like this, and you so feel pride and proud to have that as your cover. Can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine. Everywhere you're using stubbornness as a cover so that you don't have to receive, so that you can make other people wrong for not loving, caring, and nurturing you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, uncreate, and let go of that agenda that you have? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and yarns. So, anybody else? What agenda do you have with your stubbornness?
I have one with my music. I'm so stubborn about it and how I distribute it. I don't want to have a label, just want to do it myself and not be controlled.
So, see, the thing is, how many lies that you have bought, that if you allow it to distribute, if you allow people to contribute, you will have no control over your things, or you will have no control over, or you will have no say. So whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you bought, that if you receive contribution from people in any area of your life, you will have no say, you will not say something, or you cannot change something? Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times a gazillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all none shorted. And can you return it to the sender, whoever sold you this lie, and from wherever you bought that lie, and you're now creating your life based on that lie? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short buzzing. So now, Leela, it's like, what point of view are you making it so real? You're stubborn to prove that, hey, you cannot trust people, which doesn't allow you to receive the contribution from people. You're being stubborn with rightness of your point of view, that, hey, I can't trust people. Because, see, when we want to control something, because we don't trust others, that's the reason we want to control something.
It's almost like I've lumped myself together with the whole of the music industry because no one wants to pay for music. We're not getting paid for our music streaming, and we don't really have a choice on how much they pay us on these platforms. So I've kind of lumped myself together with the whole industry, and now nobody is getting paid, that
Interesting.
kind of,
So how much, whose lies and what lie, and how many lies have you bought, how this industry works and how that industry works, which doesn't allow you to receive the contribution of your creation, how it would like to contribute, not how you want it to contribute. Do you get it? You're being stubborn. I want this and I want it my way. But I'll say, hey, I can't come and spend the whole night, but I can meet you for 30 minutes. No, then I don't want to meet you. Are you willing to receive the contribution from your music the way the music would like to contribute, not the way that you think it should contribute to you? See, here there is a stubbornness, right? I want it my way is a stubbornness, which doesn't allow you to even receive what the music can contribute to you.
Yes, I agree. And it became about money because I have to put a lot of money to create it. And then I wasn't receiving anything and I felt resentful. And so it became a resentment instead of receiving what was giving.
Yeah.
And it wasn't really giving money.
Fine, but can it provide you an energy which will create more money? Truth.
That's a good, possibility.
Yeah. But then the thing is, because you're a stubborn, if I'll eat whole, or otherwise I'll eat nothing. So all of you, everywhere you're not willing to receive, either I'll have the whole chunk or I'll have nothing. So everywhere you're fighting that point of view, which doesn't allow you to receive the contribution from anybody and everybody. Can you destroy and uncreate at all times, Agarzelia? Right and wrong,
Yes, I will.
pork, all nine shall be. It's like, hey, I don't have everything to give to you. I can only give you what I have. But everywhere you're fighting, you're being stubborn. My way or highway? How many of you believe my way or highway? Right? And if you stuck that point, my way or highway doesn't allow so many people to come, because then you're highway only. Everybody's gone to the highway and you're waiting. When will that person come? And when that person come, you eat them up because you're so hungry. Right? So how much are you focusing only on one source of receiving, which, because of your stubbornness, which doesn't allow you to receive from everything and everywhere?
Made it so significant.
Yeah. So what it's like, what is your underlying point of view that you're making it significant? Because you have a stubbornness. Where are you not willing to share your gifts because you feel that you need to be paid in a certain way?
But how will I pay my bills if no one pays me?
Uh, how I if you're not willing to share, if your music is not going to go out because you have stubbornness, any which ways there's no bill payment happening, right? It is not going out because you're holding on. If you allow and listen and let it out, it may open different areas that the money can just flow in. So everywhere, all of you are not willing to receive the wealth because it is not showing up the way you expect it to show up, because of your deep down agenda that you're so right. This is a right way of receiving, and this is a wrong way of receiving. This is a right way of being. This is a wrong way of being, which allows all the money to go to the highway rather than coming to you. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and create all your hidden agendas that you have of being right for now and all eternity? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short bosom. And then you blame everybody, and then you blame even God, even universe doesn't contribute to me. They also don't like me. The beings of light don't like me. Entities don't like to me. Because of your point of view, your stubbornness, you are moving them away also because they don't match your point of view. So all the programming that you have, which doesn't allow you to receive with ease from anyone and everyone, can you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all nine short, only agendas that you have is to be right all the time. Can you let go of that agenda of being right? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, boys and girls. What's coming up, guys? I can go on, believe me.
This agenda of being right, can we speak a little more on that? Because it's just something which is like hit me between yesterday and today.
Okay,
And I really felt it was gone away from my universe. So I really like to talk about it.
great. Agenda of being right. Isn't that being stubborn? Hey, I'm so right. That's the reason we say my way or highway, because you know you're right. But what if you can never be right and you can never be wrong? So how much you're proving that I'm so right, that I'm such a pathetic person? Even I can't even create a lover. I can't have a partner. I can't create a money. You're being right for being wrong. So your agenda is to keep doing things which will keep on pinging that how wrong I am, how pathetic I am. That is your agenda, because you believe deep down, you believe that. So you hold on to the rightness of the point of view, which indirectly leads you and bring the same emotions up, and you'll be like, so true, man. Did I lose you?
No, at least I got it. So thank you.
So yeah, so it's like, what agenda you guys have of being right or being wrong, which doesn't allow you to let go your deep seated point of view, which doesn't allow you to receive from anyone and everyone with total ease, and everything that is will you destroy and uncreate all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shots, boys and girls. Anybody else? When we're talking about stubborn, what comes up?
Suruchi, I
Hello.
have one question.
Okay.
Yeah, I lost. Who asked one question? Smita asked.
Smita. Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, past to almost 15, 20 years, like whenever I fall sick, I am all alone handling myself. So like when you started with the topic, it is like you are like a fighter. You want to prove that you are like you can handle.
Yeah.
Now there is a desire that I don't want to be like, even I want to be cared for. I don't want to like get sick all alone and there is no one else to care. But then now
Smita,
the thing
can I
is
hold
what?
you? What
Yeah.
is your agenda with falling sick? I don't want to be sick alone. I want people, but I'll fall sick.
Yeah, because there is no one there.
But why
There is nobody around.
But why is the need to fall sick? There's a need in your university that I will fall sick. Allow people to come, but you can have people. See, the thing is, you can have people. You don't need to fall sick to have people. First of all, you're getting what you said.
Actually, yeah, but like
Mm,
Actually, I am like consistently for 1 year. I like every month I am having some periods
Okay.
issue.
So that's
Yeah.
the thing now, because see, the thing is, you've already decided, hey, I need to prove, I need to move from this. Okay.
Hmm,
Now I
hmm,
was exercising all alone. Now I want to exercise in a gym. Okay. So that I can see
hmm,
people around. But you're not
hmm,
asking, hey, why am I gymming?
hmm,
Right? So you have like, I'll fall sick. That you have already concluded, that you have already created your pattern that I will fall
hmm.
sick. But instead of suffering alone, I want people to help. But my question is,
Yeah.
why will you suffer? Why will you fall sick?
I'm not doing it purposely. It's happening. So I just want to change that point of view. So
See,
what can I do?
yeah. So two things. A is
Yes.
like everywhere you've concluded, you can only receive help when you fall sick. First of all,
Mm-hmm.
can you destroy and uncreate it all so that the reoccurrence of your falling sick cannot happen, should not happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pockle. And the second thing is like, what what will go wrong if you receive love from people, caring from people?
Hmm. I have my barriers up over there.
Yeah, so you have a barrier. So what are you fighting against that you've already decided is so true that you have to fight that battle of care and receiving care and nurture? How much you run away from people who care you and nurture you?
Yes.
So what is, see, that's the thing. You're being stubborn. I am not going to receive this. I'll receive judgment, but I'll not receive love. Okay. Some people
Hmm.
fight judgment. So we all are in a very different category. If you can't receive nurturing and caring and you're fighting that, ask what point of view do I have which I'm trying to make right, which doesn't allow me to lower my barriers and receive the love and care from people with total ease.
Yes.
Okay, you have to
I
ask
do that.
yourself, what is the hidden agenda you have? What will go wrong in your universe if you receive love? And everywhere all of you decided you're unworthy of receiving love, can you not destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes. Yes.
I don't know, but and everywhere you're a fighter, so you know how to fight, but you don't know how to surrender. Because when you have received,
Ah.
you have to surrender and
Yes.
submit. And everywhere you're unwilling to surrender and submit because your points of views, all the known unknown points of views you have about surrender and submit, which doesn't allow you to receive with ease, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, lunch, all the definition you have of surrender and submit. Like everywhere decided, if you
Hmm.
surrender and submit, you'll become their slave.
Yeah.
Destroy and uncreate at all times of Brazilian.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, lunch, or business. See, you have if you have a point of view, if you surrender and submit, you'll become slave. Then I have to tell you, hey, boss, you are not actually, you're not receiving, you're only taking from people. Because to
Mm-hmm.
receive, I have to become one. And when I have to become one, I have to drop all my barriers to become one. Like when you have sex, when you
Hmm.
communion, you two body parts have to meet together. They cannot be a barrier says, okay, distance, right?
Hmm.
So the same way, you are just taking things from people rather than receiving. And if that is the thing, you have to ask, where am I being stubborn here? Because you have a point of view which is like not allowing you to receive and which you have to fight your way through, which doesn't allow people to contribute. See, the thing is, I'll stay there for 1 month, 1 week with your packet. But if you're
Hmm.
stubborn enough not to receive, after 1 month, 1 week, maybe I'll just leave. And then you'll again make your point of view right that nobody loves you, care for you, nurture for you. That is not a reality. The reality is you have a hidden agenda of not receiving love and care, because if you've decided or concluded that if you receive
Hmm.
love, care, nurturing, you will become their slave. Does
Okay.
that clarify?
Yes, because I changed. I really wanted this change. Like so many years, I have been doing the same thing, but due to different situation. Now this time, I really wanted that somebody should come and take care of me. But like then, I only created somewhere the barrier. That is what I'm getting
Okay,
now.
so just ask,
That I
okay,
am unable to receive.
just ask, all the stubbornness I have of my point of view is the right point of view, which doesn't allow me to receive contribution from people with ease. I now destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nine shut down. Because see, when we work with either spirit world also, right? You need to submit to receive.
Yes.
Okay. Then also, if you have barriers, even 1,000 people right now will be waiting to give you the contribution, the gift, the money you've been asking, but you will not receive because of your barriers, because you feel that if I lower my barriers, I am surrendering. Submit doesn't mean surrendering, in the sense, doesn't mean slave. It's not equal to slave. It is like, hey, let's co-create. There is no difference between you and me. We are equal,
Mhm.
right? So you have to really get present, is like what point of view you're not willing to let go. That if you let go those points of views, receiving in every area has become much easier for you.
Okay.
And
Tha-
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
And
so much.
Lena, you had some, yeah. Yeah, Lena.
To everyone. Do you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Super, perfect. So my question is, I will just tell short. I was like a child. I didn't had any problem to speak or sing in front of bunch of people, and through
Lena, you're breaking in between. So you
and
did
now
the problem receiving from bunch of people. After that, couldn't hear you. Uh,
and now, for example,
mhm.
hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, for example, I wish to speak now towards you, and I feel super excited, but my heart pumps and I'm all shaking. And somewhere something obviously happened that blocked me so strongly that I have a fear, which is distractor implant, surely, to speak loudly in
Okay,
front of everyone.
Lena. First, how much in your head you're finding the right reason of your or the symptoms of your problem? So
A
everywhere,
lot, a lot.
so everywhere you're going into your head to find the symptoms. What are your symptoms of the problem, rather than just being present with it? Can you destroy and
Yeah,
create it all?
very
Right,
gladly.
wrong, good, like service. The other thing is truth. When you get that palpitation, and like how much your body is excited. Hey, finally we get to do what we enjoy doing it.
Yes.
What is not a problem?
Yeah.
I have this problem. You can shake, no problem.
Oh, because I was often criticized, and I also now going in my head, pod and poc, but obviously somewhere I'm not also receiving judgment or
That's the
critique.
thing. You are stubborn. You're like, hey, I'm not going to receive a judgment because it's not a good judgment to receive. What
Yeah.
what both judgment is a lie. There's no good and bad judgment. It both is a lie.
Mm,
So
mm,
what are you feeling happy about a good judgment and bad about a bad judgment? It's a lie you're telling yourself, which doesn't give you the freedom. So
yeah.
maybe all you have to do is like, hey, if I shake, I know my body is excited. Let me just express it, whichever way it would like
Mm,
to express, and get out of your own way. That's a stubbornness.
mm.
Right way of talking, a right way of
Oh,
presenting.
yeah.
So what if there's no right way of presenting anything?
Oh, yes. Amazing.
So can you just give yourself a favor and not go into your mind to figure out the symptoms and just be you?
Yes.
So it's like how much it is. Who made you wrong?
Hello.
Yeah, Lena, who made you wrong in the childhood when
Oh,
you showed up as you? Everywhere you were made wrong, or everywhere you perceived, you were laughed at because you showed up as you, and everywhere you are being stubborn to never experience that, which doesn't give you the freedom to choose and be you. Can you not destroy and
sorry, my internet was interrupted. Like the answer is who made me wrong was my father, and through my life, my mother, because she's a perfectionist.
but perfection is a lie.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's like
Mm.
how much were they jealous of you being you?
Mm.
Every
Oh,
you bought that wrongness,
yeah.
you locked that wrongness. Can you destroy and uncreate it all times of gazillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine short
Nice.
balls and beyonds. Yeah.
Super. Thank you very much.
Hmm. Anybody else? Last question.
With all the other energy work that I've been doing in the self exploration I'm doing, I now realize that I have a lot of my not able to receive is has to do with low self worth. Where in literally from my childhood, now I realize that it comes from a place of actually feeling like I was an unwanted girl. So I kind of change the
That
gender
is-
role of traditionally
yeah.
that men do because I feel that adds value.
That's what here. I'm just stopping you here. Is like how much is the fight is to prove your worth as a woman, which doesn't allow you to receive from men unless you prove them or unless they make you feel equal. So everywhere you're fighting that battle, okay, can you now destroy and uncreate and let go of this fight for now and all eternity?
It's like I'm trying to make them see value in being a girl who is on her own and be like, see
That,
me, I'm not asking
that's
for
what I'm
anything.
saying. That's what I'm saying. Are you willing to give that fight up now?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Right and wrong, good and bad, one pork, all lunch, but see what will happen is when you keep a fight, you'll have to keep creating a situation that we have to keep proving that time, and then you can only receive from those set of men. Okay. And if they're MCPs, male chauvinist pig, you
Yeah,
cannot
don't get along.
yeah, you don't get right. But then the thing is, what receiving is just receiving, it doesn't matter. They have that opinion about that, but it's like how much that judgment, the gender judgment is general in air. So everywhere you have taken all the oaths, vows, fearing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you took from any lifetime, space, dimension, reality, to be a woman warrior, to be a woman representative, to be a feminist empower people who empower feminist who doesn't which doesn't allow you to receive from the opposite sex, and everywhere you have to fight your way to prove your worth.
Yeah.
Are you now willing to give that job up for now and all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, all line, short, buzz, and beyonds. And how much, see, the thing is, do things, okay? When you're saying how much of the masculine energy we enhance, because as a woman, feminine energy is all about receiving. It's a masculine energy which is all about proving, doing, acting. How much you have to suppress that to prove your female empowerment by being a masculine? Can you see the irony in that?
Yeah.
Right. So what are we actually fighting? Nothing. So all everywhere we have believed that we have to fight. That is a stubbornness. That's the so isn't it a projection that people keep projecting and you keep picking up because you think that is your job? So you have to say, hey, am I fighting my battle or am I fighting a battle of the world through my shoulder?
Yeah.
So
Makes sense.
yeah, so everywhere you're fighting for everybody else, but we cannot eat for everybody else, right? So we cannot fight for everybody else because each one of us has to choose their own. So can
Yeah.
we give up this job now of that female empowerment, which doesn't allow us to receive from anything and everything with total ease?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, button, pork, all nine, short, button, and everywhere you need a gun, a barrel to fight. You- okay, so maybe you have to ask, okay, if I allow myself to be a woman, with whom can I receive? Because what you're doing is you're fighting for a womanhood, but you're not allowing yourself to be a woman.
100%.
So there's an irony. So what battle are you fighting for? So it's just that lower your barriers and say, hey, if I didn't have to fight any battle, whom just play this. If you have this, if I didn't have to fight any battle, whom can I receive from? And what
Yeah.
can I receive from this person today that I was not willing to receive? Just
Yeah.
play with this question and see what shows up. For all of you, you can pick it up in a different area. Because how you deal, react with people with your points of view, similar points of views you're reacting and dealing with all the other beautiful energies out there who is like wanting to contribute, who's waiting to contribute, but because of your point of view, you're not allowing them to enter your space and receive. Okay. So I hope I contributed. I'm sorry, I would love to explore and go more, but I'm on a deadline of I have to hop on to another call. So I hope this contributes to you. Please do listen. and just ask, what's the value of being stubborn? Because you have a value, that's the reason you're not letting your stubbornness go or those point of view go. So yeah, thank you so much, all the beautiful people.
Are we going to get a recording of this call?
Yeah, you will get the recording. I have hit the record. I'll share it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, lovely people. See you somewhere, sometime soon in my classes or somewhere else around the world. Bye bye.